Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Arpita Karwa and today we are going to discuss a topic that is not only important but also one of the most frequently asked topics in the UGC NET English paper, and that is Dalit writers. Dalit literature tells the stories of people who have faced caste discrimination and who have fought for justice and equality. Now, these writers share their real life experiences of struggles and hope, bringing attention to issues that have been long ignored by the society. Now, their works are crucial for understanding Indian literature as well as to understand the social history of India. So, let's dive in and explore the contribution of Dalit writers, a topic you definitely don't want to miss for your upcoming UGC NET English exam. Okay, so let's start with the first writer, Namdev Lakshman Dhasal, a name you definitely need to remember for your UGC NET preparation. Dasal was a Marathi Dalit poet and activist who is known for his raw and powerful poetry that spoke about the struggles of the marginalized people. He was the founder of the Dalit Panther movement, which became a strong voice for Dalit rights and justice in India. And I'm sure that those of you who have read the chronological history of America or American literature, you would be aware of the Black Panther movement that happened in America on a very, very big scale. And this Dalit Panther movement, which was founded by Namdev, was inspired by the Black Panther movement of California. And it was done in collaboration with Arjun Dangle and J.V. Pawar. Now, if you look at Dasal's life, you will see that his contribution to literature and activism was so profound that he has earned many honors, including the Padma Shri in 1999 and a Lifetime Achievement Award that was given to him in 2004 by none other than Sahitya Academy. Now, let me tell you a fun fact about Dasal. This man was so important when it comes to the entire Dalit community that the legendary playwright Vijay Tendulkar compared him to Tukaram. And if you do not know who Tukaram is, he was a very famous Bhakti saint who is remembered even today for his deep and meaningful expression. So a similar sort of a tone and style of writing was of Namdev Lakshman Dhasal, and that is the reason why he was compared to Sant Tukaram. Okay, so now that we know some background information about Mr. Namdev, it's time to look at the chronological list of works written by him. The most important works written by Namdev are there on your screen. You can see that. And I would just want to tell you that you don't need to write it down in a piece of paper. The PDF of this entire video is readily available with us. You just have to drop a WhatsApp message on the number that is flashing on the screen, and my team will be sending you the PDF right on your phone. So the works that you can see on your screen are written by Namdev. You don't need to deep dive into the plot summary of all these works because not a lot of questions are asked from the in-depth analysis or critical analysis of the text. Rather, I would just want you to memorize the titles of the works so that if in case the title pop up in a match the following question, it is very easy for you to answer. Okay friends, so the next writer we are going to talk about is Sharan Kumar Limbare, another prominent name in Dalit literature. And let me tell you that his works are so important that recently in UGC NET exam, they have been asking a lot of questions from his works. So make sure that you are aware of this writer. Now, those of you who are from Maharashtra and are watching this video, I'm sure that from the surname itself, you would have guessed that Sharan Kumar is also a Maharashtrian and a Marathi, and he was born in 1956 in Maharashtra. His life experience has heavily shaped his writing. So if you ever get a chance to read his writing, you will be shocked to see how direct and unsentimental he is in his portrayal. So he uses very direct and unsentimental style, which often at times seems as if it is more confrontational, and this has made his work stand out and hit hard at the societal inequalities. Now, before I go on and talk about the most important works of this particular writer, I would just want to tell you a small good news. And the good news is that we are proud to launch India's first animated video course, wherein we have explained over 500 important plays, novels, and poems which are repeatedly asked in NET exam. And all of these is explained in a very, very engaging way using animated lectures. So if you're looking for video lectures that can explain the plot of all the important works which can be asked in UGC NET exam, then consider enrolling in our online course for UGC NET English. For more details, you can check out the description box. So now let's quickly look at the chronological list of Limbade's work. The list is right there on your screen. Now, if you look at the works, out of the 6 works that are there on your screen, the most important ones are Akarmashi and Towards an Aesthetic of Dalit Literature. I will try and explain these works to you in very, very short and crisp manner. So, Akarmashi, which can be translated as The Outcast, is Sharan Kumar's work wherein he talks about his own life. So it shows the hardship he has faced because of the caste discrimination and poverty. And this book gives a real and honest picture of what life is like for Dalits in India. The next work is Towards an Aesthetic of Dalit Literature, and this book was written in 2004. So you can see how early did Sharan Kumar started talking about Dalit literature, and even in this book he explains how Dalit literature should have its own unique style of narration. He talks about how it should focus on the real life struggles and experiences of marginalized communities. Okay, so I hope you have gotten a fair picture of this writer. Now let's move on to the next writer. Okay friends, so now it's time to look at the last writer, and she is Shantabai Kamble, a pioneer in Dalit literature and a name that you must know for your UGC NET English exam. Now she was born in Maharashtra, and she is one of the first Dalit women to write an autobiography in Marathi literature. So it's really surprising to see how females have also started writing in that domain, and they showcases this kind of a double struggle that they face. One, because they are from Dalit community, and second, because they are female. So again, they are double marginalized in the society. Now, Shantabai's language is very, very direct and relatable. So if you ever get to read her works, you will see how through her writing, the entire story turns out to be powerful, as well as it is so easy to connect with. Now, through her writing, she didn't just share her pain, but then she also highlighted the resilience and strength of Dalit women, making her an important figure in the entire industry. Now, let's look at the most important work of Shantabai Kamble, and that is Jalmachi Chitarkatha, or it is translated in English as The Kaleidoscope Story of My Life. So, let's look at the summary of this work. Now, this is an autobiography written by Shantabai, and this was written in Marathi, so that is the reason why you see that the title looks a little or sounds a little different, because it is Majya Jalmachi Chitarkatha. So it's a very Marathi sounding title. Now in this book, she shares her life story, talking about the struggle she has faced because of the caste and gender discrimination. So both the discrimination she talks about, it also showcases her strength in overcoming these challenges. And this book is also an important part of both Dalit as well as feminist literature, inspiring others to stand up against unfairness. Other than that, she has written various essays and short stories in Marathi magazines exploring Dalit and women right themes. So if you ever get a chance to read more about her, I'm pretty sure that you will be shocked to see how this lady has turned the entire debate and has merged Dalit and feminist literature together. Okay, so now that we have finished talking about the most important writers, it's time to look at some solved questions from this topic that has been asked in UGC NET English papers. So the first one is right in front of you, and we just read about her a few minutes back, and the correct answer is Shantabai Kamble. The next one talks about the pioneers or the founders of Dalit Panther movement, and if you remember the first writer that we discussed in the video, Namdev Dhasil, in that particular writer I mentioned that Dalit Panther movement was founded by him, Arjun Dangle and J.V. Pawar. Okay, now there's another question that is flashing on your screen, and you have to tell me the correct answer to this question. If you're smart enough, put the correct answer in the comments box below. If you're looking for more PYQs on this topic, you can check out our exclusive mock test series, which provides you with 3000 plus topic wise questions. Plus, after every test, you get a detailed performance report and your ranking in All India Leaderboard, which will help you to spot your weak and strong areas. That's it from my side for this video lecture. I'll meet you very soon in the next video lecture. Till the time we meet next, happy learning, keep loving literature, and stay tuned to arpitakarwa.com.